Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Hump Day, Wednesday, August 5th. Hey, we got a couple economic news to go over today. We'll start off with the ADP. This is kind of our prelude to the jobs numbers on Friday. So we had 229,000 people, new jobs created back in June, but it dipped down to 185. So not the greatest of news, seeing that it decreased, but it's still kind of in the 200,000 range. Another one, not so big of an important one, but it's the trade deficit for the month of June. So we had a negative or deficit of 40.9 billion back in May. The forecast also widened to 42.8, and of course it exceeded that 43.8 billion. So obviously not great news to see the trade deficit, but a lot of this could be contributed towards the stronger dollar that we've been seeing. ISM non-manufacturing, also known as ISM services industry. This is kind of the index that kind of gauges as to where the service industry is for the month of July. So we had a 56, so anything above 50 is expansion, anything below is considered contraction. And we're kind of expecting a slight increase, and actually jumped up to 60.3. So we hadn't seen this number since like 2005. So very good news. This came out kind of a surprise to everybody with this number, and as a result, this is what's kind of making the stock market go up. So they weren't real happy with the ADP, and then there's a couple of stock like Disney didn't fare well, so they were kind of dragging things down. But that ISM services kind of is what's boosting the stock market currently today. Also, to top things off, we had Fed's Powell kind of made a comment today at a speaking engagement that he came to the conclusion he's still not has not decided as to if he's going to vote for a rate hike in September or not. So if he thinks so. But there were two others previously that had mentioned that they are for it. So we'll have to kind of wait and see as to, obviously September, mid-September, if they're going to proceed with it. But these economic data, especially the jobs numbers on Fridays, was helping them decide, okay, if this comes in pretty bad, then the Fed's probably going to hold off on September. And that's why the Fed's kind of feeling good today. I mean, why the stock market's feeling good today. That kind of, the ADP came out not so good, and then ISM came in pretty strong. So, we'll kind of see how it plays out. All right, so let's take a look at the bond market, and as a result, the bond market's pulled back. As you see, yesterday we had a pretty bad day. It dropped all the way down about 42 basis points, and we kind of sat on the 10-day moving average. And then today, now we're testing the 50-day moving average. We dropped about another 35. Right now we're about 25 basis points from where we left off yesterday, which both triggered price worsening. So we basically lost a lot of our gains that was accumulated this week. So we're kind of back to the levels we were last week in that range. But hopefully this 50-day moving average continues to hold. If it doesn't hold, we could drop down further. As you can see, the next level of support would basically be, could be about the 102.18-ish range. So, so hopefully we can maintain that and keep our momentum building up higher. So sometimes we need a little bit of a slight correction to go upwards. All right, folks, be cautious here. Again, we got the jobs numbers coming out on Friday that could, go either direction, and just be careful. But today, we're having interest rates have kind of crept up again today as we did yesterday. All right, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.